A very good morning, students. In previous class, what we discussed, how to find the square root of a number by using the prime factorization method. Yeah, because in primary class we studied about the prime numbers, LCM, HCF. We are perfect in prime factorization. For that, easy method for you. Okay, I feel. One question. Next, find the smallest number by page number 134. Second question mark. Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. See here what the number given? 3645. Which number multiplying after? Okay. This prime factorization, where we can use this also? See, after which number multiply, or otherwise after which number divided by, we will get the perfect square. Like this we have the questions. Now how will you? Prime factorization is only this must be. If sometimes something will be add, something will be subtract, means under method, division method. I will say afterwards. First this exercise this only. Okay, now at end of the number 5. So it is divisible with the 5 table. First we are selecting with the 5 table. Okay. Now two numbers at end. 5 7 35. One remaining. Next 14. 5 3 15. So before two number means 5 2 10. How much remaining? 4. 45. 5 9 45. See, by looking this only what we know? See here 9 means we can know 3 table, but here 7 to also divisible or not. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. Okay, it is divisible with 3. So 3 table with 3 2 6. One remaining 12. Okay, if you don't know, you have to do this method 3 7 2 like this. 3 2 6. One remaining 2 will come down. 3 4 12. Next number 3 3 9 0. You do this method. If you don't know, if it is easy for me, I will do this method. Otherwise, you do that method. Next 3 3 9. Again see 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9. See again do with the 3 table. 3 8 24. 3 1 3. Again 3 table. Directly 9 9 we can take, but here prime factorization cover that take step by step only. 3 9 3 2 6. Here 2 remaining. 3 7 21. 3 9 3 3 1. Now what is the prime factorization of this 3645? Yeah, 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Yeah, 4 times into 1. Okay. Now square root of, when we are finding the square root, what is the rule? If the number is repeating 2 times, it will become at one time outside. Yes or no? Now this 3 will come down out, this also, this also. Now what is remain? 5. If there are not also, no problem. But 5. When will become 5 out means it is when it will be perfect square? When this number is multiplying with 5. So it is also having the square root. Then it will be 5. Okay. So it will become outside. So therefore answer is what? When we are multiplying with 5 to this number, then it will be get a perfect square. Sometimes this likes question only. Okay. Sometimes asking when what is the multiplying. Okay. Sometimes divide like this question time. You have to select the perfect square numbers only. Okay. Now based on this we have to do what word problems. Okay. Now here fifth question. 1521 trees are planted in a garden in such a way that there are as many trees in row as there are many row in the garden. Means how many rows there, how many trees are planted. Okay. Find the number of rows and number of trees in each row. See here what asked, how many rows there, that many trees are planted. So here means x into x, because square model. Okay. The rows how many there? That many plants also. Okay, so here the given clue Here it is in a square. Okay, so here how many number of rows and how many number of each row in trees have. So like this question means we have to find out the, we don't know here rows, number of trees also don't know. So they both taking as an x. Means they both counting means how much will be that many. Means here 521. Okay. Now first we have to take the number and do the prime factorization. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so we have to take it 3 with 3 5 is 15, we have 1 0 because both time we are taking 3 7 is 21. Okay, again 5 plus 7 12. So again divide with 3 table. 5 1s are 20. Okay, 2 remaining 20. 6 3 6 are 18. 2 remaining. 3 9s are, we have 1169. 13 13s are 100 because prime number is multiplication. 13. Okay. Now what is the square root of 1521? Yeah, 3 into 13 into 13. Yeah, one number will be come out. 3 into 3. Both time 3 na one time only coming out. 13 into 13, one time will cutting. 3 13s are 39. What is the number of rows? 39 number of rows. And each row in how many plants? 39 plants. It is the answer. Yeah, every question like that only. Okay, all word problems just to number with try. Okay, no need of with the words. Okay, this exercise is completed. See, as per a government rule, we have to say the topics only. So don't think teacher not said one by one question like that. Don't think topics only will be covered. Okay.